Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over how you would take the door panel off your GLA-Class Mercedes-Benz. Right? So this is a GLA. First we got to open up the door. We're just going to open the door. And we want to get access to this door panel. So number one, we've got some bolts that are going to be behind here. And we'll work that out. You're going to want to work with either a one of these, a plastic thing to be able to get in there. You could use a small screwdriver with a with paper towel or a good terry cloth or good cloth to get under there. But if you got one of these, the molding removals, you're going to want to work your way in here, nice and easy. We don't have to finish. All these tabs here are what's holding it in. Now, sometimes when you're popping it off, you got this one right here. It sits up right under here, and sometimes it snags up. So you just got to kind of push it down a little bit. You just push it down a little bit, either with this or with a small screwdriver, and pop that out. And we set that aside, and then what you're going to want to do, whether you've got a T27 like this or a socket ratchet, but right in this hole and right in. So anyway, I just use one of these little hook pieces to kind of pull this out. You could use a magnet, small magnet, whatever. But pull those out, set them aside. Then the next, we want to work our way around, all the way around the outside edge, because there's a bunch of little clips to hold this thing. Using the same tool. And we're just gonna work our way around and pop these clips off. Then when we get it pulled this far, we got to do the we want to do the door release. I mean, this is your lever to open it up. So when you get in there, you want to just pull this shielding this way, and then it'll pull out. Okay, and then just pull that clip off. That way you can get the door out. And then you're going to want to undo, once we've got that disconnected and pulled a little ways away, then we can go ahead and pull these clips, pull that electric off. And then this will come apart like that. That way you can set it back up here or just let it sit on the way. That would be how you would remove your door panel in your GLA-Class model of Mercedes-Benz. So put it back on. You put it back on in the reverse order, and that's how we would do it. Thanks for watching.